Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 3 apps for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is a very well-known PixArt application that allows you to work with pictures, thereby editing them, retouching and doing what's not. So let's go ahead and open it for the first time. Here we'll just log in with our Google account or Gmail account. After that, we'll skip the premium version ad. Then we are able to choose what picture or what photo we would like to work with. So let's say I have the screenshot, so I'm going to use it. Close the ad once again. And in here, we have all kinds of tools and features that this app has to offer on the bottom part of our display. For example, this single tools tab contains this many features and tools, like perspective change, curves change, dispersion, and what's not. We can crop the image and do a lot of different things with it. For example, there is also the separate tab for all kinds of effects that you can apply for your photos. Here are the categories of these effects. Next we have the retouching tools and a lot of other tools like stickers that we can apply. For example, I want to apply this one, I don't know what is it, but let's just roll with it and place it right here, this butterfly. You can cut out something and do a lot of other different and very useful things. If we were to show all of them, the duration of this video would be around like 2 hours or so. So we highly recommend that you go ahead, download this app and try playing with it yourself. So that was pretty much it for the PixArt as for now. The next application that we would like to show you in this video is called WTMP, and it's basically short for Who Touched My Phone. This app allows you to imperceptibly take pictures each time your screen is being unlocked. So it takes each time your screen is being unlocked, it takes the picture from the selfie camera imperceptibly for the person who does it, even for yourself. Or even if somebody is trying to unlock your phone but fails. For example, you have some screen lock method set, this person tries to guess it, and it does not succeed, and you'll see the photo. So basically, let's go ahead and set it up first. Here we have some instructions and descriptions on how this app should be utilized and how this app works in general. In order to activate it, we'll tap on this gray power on button, tap on OK, give all the permission it needs. That includes camera, unlimited background access we can skip, permit usage access we are obliged to give to it. So we'll find the WTMP in the list of usage access apps, turn this switch on and get back to it. And basically, once this power button turns green and these 2 white lines appear, that indicates the fact that the app has been successfully activated. So let's try it out. Let's say I'm somebody who's trying to gain an unauthorized access to your smartphone. There's some kind of a screen lock set. He tries to unlock it but does not succeed. Unlocks it again. And then you actually take a phone, unlock it, get to the WTMP application. As you can see, there are 2 entries, one of them being device not unlocked, so the attempt of unlocking the screen, and the photo located right here. And the same goes for the device unlocked picture as well. As you can see, great success. So that was it for the WTMP app. The third and the last app that we were to show you in this video is called Stick Around, and it allows you to check whether some particular movie has any hidden scenes, for example, after or during the credit scenes. So here, let's launch it for the first time, close it, and let's say, for example, we've bought the tickets for the Morbius movie and we would like to know whether it contains any hidden scenes. So we'll simply pick it from the list, and we'll see that yes, this movie contains both the after and the during the credit scenes, which we can go ahead and stay for and wait after the credits roll, or during the credits roll, respectively. If you want to find, this page basically contains, as you can see, only the movies that are currently in theaters, but you can also check such data for movies that are basically not in the theaters anymore, some old movies. For example, I want to know whether the Dune movie, 2021 version of it, has any hidden scenes, so I'll type in Dune, choose the movie that I was looking for, and here it clearly says that there are no hidden scenes that this movie contained. contains, neither after the credits nor during the credits. So that was pretty much it as for the stick around app and for this video in general. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!